Hello, my name's Mike. I'm the owner of BestRugPrices.com, and what I want to talk about today in this video is Mohawk SMARTSTRAND carpet and their vacuum guide. So a lot of stores will sell Mohawk SMARTSTRAND carpet. It's one of the best and most popular carpets in the marketplace today. But what a lot of stores fail to tell you is that Mohawk requires you to use a certain vacuum on your carpet if you want to maintain your warranty. So they actually have a vacuum guide, and I just want to kind of show people what this is. But before I get into it, I did want to flip over to my website, bestrugprices.com. And what you're looking at is our floor and decor blog. We write about floor covering. So anything related to floor covering, we have on our blog. We also have a page, as I switch screens here, dedicated to area rugs, where we have all different sizes and types of area rugs. So we would love for you to come visit our page at bestrugprices.com. All of our information is completely free. And if you're watching this video, there'll be a link either at the bottom of the video or on the side, depending on where you see it at, that goes directly to our page. And we'd love for you to come and visit us and read some articles and let us know what you think. So I'm going to get back to this Mohawk vacuum guide. And what you're looking at is just a PDF brochure that I downloaded from their website. So I'm just going to view this. As you can see, it's Mohawk, and then here's the vacuum guide. And so they're very, very strict about this, to the point where if you don't use the right kind of vacuum, your warranty will be void. And so this is really important information to know. And as I scroll down here, you can see they go into it and talk about selecting the right vacuum. You need to consider what your pile height is, and what sort, if you have a wool or wool blend, or what sort of carpet you bought. Is it a thick loop or frisee or long pile carpet? And they go into specifics about what sort of vacuum you need to use on your carpet. And then they get down here, they have recommended vacuums that they prefer that people use. But then they have a list, as you can see here, and I'll just kind of scroll down here. But there's maybe, I haven't counted them, but maybe 30, 40 vacuums that are on their list. And if you purchase Mohawk SmartStrand carpet and you're in your warranty period, you need to purchase or have one of these vacuums on this list, or your warranty is void. So besides having your carpet professionally cleaned once every 18 months and so forth, you need to make sure that you're aware of this before you purchase your SmartStrand carpet. And this is just something that a lot of stores don't tell you about. So I just wanted to do a quick little video to mention it. You can find this brochure right on the Mohawk website, and I certainly encourage you to look it up. And certainly wherever you're purchasing your carpet from, your local store should have this already printed out, and they should be giving this to you at the time of your purchase. So if you don't have this and you're in the process of purchasing a Mohawk SmartStrand carpet, then you need to ask your local store to provide you with this vacuum guide, so you can get the right material. Thank you very much for the time, and have a good day.